When engineering designs are at a small and manageable proportion, like engineering a minor aircraft for Peter here, most communication among designers goes smooth and easy. And in this case, the minor aircraft is at a manageable proportion. But as project grows, complexity grows with it. So if you compare 30 engineers it takes to make up a minor aircraft, compared with 3,000 engineers it takes up to make a major aircraft, the need for a common language is evident. Systems thinking and systems engineering is one way of achieving this common language. But it takes more than that to get things going. So we have added other processes from international standards. We have made reverse engineering and put all of this together to make the systems engineering concept. The concept is a practical reply to how to do systems engineering. We're going to visit an EPC contractor in Amsterdam. They bought their license last year. Let's go and see what they have achieved with the systems engineering concept.
Well, we are building super yachts. And the super yacht is really about the dream of the owner. And during building that dream, things are changing. And it's very important for us to understand and let them understand what the risks and implications are of those changes. Of course, everything is possible, but you always want to deliver on time. With system engineering concept, we are really on top of the information flow. And that's also then that we are on top of delivering on time. And then what you see is after 1 or 2 months, at the beginning, it's like they're going back to the work again. But after 1 or 2 months, they really understood it and they were working with it. We did it in a pilot project just to make sure that not everybody was completely roll out, but other people got curious, noses to the window, what are they doing? Hey, that really works. I think it was really cool to unbox it and see that it really was already helping after 1 or 2 months. Really cool.
The system engineering concept brings me in daily life financial control, quality improvement and time saving. And I'm really fond of all three of them. The future system engineering concept will bring us configure to order, so the customer can easily configure his ship behind his laptop. System engineering concept means in my daily life, it's structurized. It's bringing people together. It's giving inside information in various stages, in various levels of information of the project in a way you could not imagine before.